Welcome dear viewers to this new video in which we present to you an important topic in the world of real estate. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and watch the entire video. Thank you.
Steps to become a successful real estate dealer. Real estate trading is a fun and profitable profession, but it can be difficult in light of the great competition in this field, so those who want to become a real estate dealer must distinguish themselves in several ways. The following are the most prominent steps through which they can be a successful real estate dealer. Setting goals. Setting goals that a person wants to achieve from being a real estate dealer is the first step to achieving success in this field. So goals must be set and written down to increase the likelihood of achieving them. This step is important for entrepreneurs and real estate dealers, with the need to set realistic, time-bound, measurable, and implementable goals. Developing a marketing plan. Marketing for trade is currently easy and available. Due to the availability of electronic marketing methods that facilitated access to customers, and thus a wide customer network can be built, and target customers can be identified through technology, in addition to the possibility of using old marketing methods to expand the circle of customers more and more, which helps to develop and grow the trade. Market study. A person cannot become a real estate dealer just by wanting to do so, but he must study this field well and expand his knowledge about real estate work and market conditions in the country or city in which he plans to work by comparing sales and purchase figures in the last 5 years and the impact of political and economic conditions on prices. It is preferable for those who wish to become a real estate dealer to gain practical experience in the real estate field by training at the hands of an expert to know the profit margins, potential loss ratios, and how to avoid them, in addition to the legal aspect of the work that must not be exceeded, and various means of real estate investment. Personal development. Success in the real estate field is linked to developing the personality from several aspects, the most prominent of which are attention to detail. A successful real estate dealer must pay attention to details related to real estate prices, contract management, mortgages, and fulfilling the various desires of customers, and other details that make him gain trust, the people he deals with. The ability to solve problems. A successful real estate dealer must be able to solve the problems facing his client in terms of providing a property that fits his budget or selling his property within a specific period of time, etc. The ability to withstand work pressure. Entering the real estate field often requires working long hours and constant activity. So the ability to withstand work pressure and increase enthusiasm for it must be developed so that the dealer can work longer hours and deal with the difficult personalities he encounters. Improving communication skills. Communication skills with clients and other dealers are the most important qualities of a successful real estate dealer. Organizing tours of different properties and negotiating on their behalf regarding the sale or purchase of properties. Devotion. Success in this field means sacrificing a lot of time and allocating it either to work or self-development, and business in general, and in the real estate field in particular, may require a person to work long hours and move between different cities to hold meetings with potential clients, and by adding the technology factor to the work. He will have to communicate almost constantly via the internet to follow up on messages and respond to them and remain available to clients at all times.